Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be testing out some new products that have been recently released or that have been released, throughout the last couple of months or something. So yeah, I don't think we're really going to do much of an intro because I'm really excited to try these things out. Before we jump right into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so firstly, we are going to be playing out with some new makeup. No, this is not the look that we came up with, but I do like it a lot. Like, I don't even want to take this off. But the reason why I'm opening up this video with a full face of makeup is because we're going to be trying out or testing two cool products that I've been waiting to purchase and try them out and see if they're actually worth the hype. So the first item that we're going to be trying out, this is the PATRICK STARRR's brand, which is One Size, the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. I was actually excited to pick this up because I really do find the concept of this really interesting, because I mean, instead of having like a setting spray, you have like a makeup melter or makeup remover spray, which I feel like is genius because it just, I don't know, I feel like it would make things easier. But let's not jump to conclusions, let's try this out first. So this will be used on this half of my face and the next one that, let me tell you, first of all, this brand, anything they released, I've been eyeing and I've been focusing and wanting anything they release. I don't know, I've never been this obsessed with a skincare brand, I might say. So Glow Recipe just released their Papaya Cleansing Balm. And first of all, I've never saved something as fast as I saved this, because as soon as I saw that it was posted by Glow Recipe and the picture itself of just the product, I was like, yeah, add it. I would love that. I would enjoy this so much. I have high hopes. I have high hopes for these two, and I'm really, I can't wait to try them out because I just want something to take my makeup off quickest way possible with the least amount of time. So you feel me? So to truly test these products out, I put on a full face of makeup, full everything. Well, I have like something, never mind. I have a full face of makeup, a full coverage foundation on, like everything, just going all out. Even a matte liquid lipstick. As you can see, my lips are a little bit too dry right now, but that's what we do to test the product out. But anyways, so let's just jump right into this. So to wipe the makeup off, I'm gonna be using this towel that I have, this face towel that I have. And once it kind of has like a little bit of makeup, like as you can see, just a teeny tiny amount, but nothing too much. I just didn't want to use a brand new one because I mean, I don't want to stain my towels, especially since they're white. Granted, I could use bleach, but whatever. So this is the towel, as you can see. Well, let's start off with this baby. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or not. Okay. Why am I scared? Okay, there we go. Ooh. I need something to cover this side of my face. I did not think this through. I think we'll use this. Yes, it's a clear thing, whatever, so you can see that I'm not cheating. So let's just do this. I feel so scared. I don't know. Oh god, let's do this. Oh, this smells so good. I don't think anything came on my lips, so we're gonna try to focus on my lips. So let's use one side to take this off. Well, I mean, that did a great job. Just one swipe. I only tried the liquid lipstick, but there we go. It did the job. Okay, I think we're just gonna add a little bit more just to kind of remove everything else. So this is pretty good. It removed almost everything. Like, I definitely would go with a wipe instead of just a towel to clean this off. Like, using this and a wipe, I would much rather do that. But so far, just this on its own actually removed a lot of makeup. As you can see, it did a lot. Like, so let's move on to the other side of my face and try out the GLOW RECIPE Papaya Melting Cleansing Balm. Why do I keep saying melting? I don't know, I'm convinced. Well, it's actually glass jars. I thought it was gonna be plastic for some reason. Like their lip balm, lip mask, sleeping lip masks. Open her up. Ooh, it smells so good. That's what it looks like. It looks so cute. Oh my god. That smells amazing. So let's take, I guess, that much. I guess just like the size of the scoop. So I think I'll just use that much because we are doing just half of the face. So we'll just go like that. And just whatever we have on the rest of our hand. Okay. Okay, so you guys are the only people who can see right now. I can't see anything. Can I do this? Oh. Oh wow. Look and see. Wow. I think I got it in my eye because this eye is kind of like fuzzy. I'll take this side, which is a clean, and mascara is like almost completely gone, or it's completely gone. This is incredible. Okay, so now let's just do a makeup wipe test. This side versus that side, so we can see which one still has some stuff left. And I'm just using the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. So you can see this is the amount that came out of the PATRICK STARRR side. Let's use the other half of this wipe to see what's on the GLOW RECIPE side. Whoa, nothing. I mean, like, you still see like a little bit, but compared to this side, this is incredible. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a staple item in my collection. Both of these, actually. Like, both of them I will definitely use a lot. But, like, maybe I will start off with this and then go in with this, or just use this and completely remove everything and be done in one step. It's going to depend on my mood, but I definitely do like this a lot. I like the idea of this too. It's like incredible, and I think I have something in my eye. Anyways, yeah, and just this is amazing on its own. So yeah, that's my review, guys, on these two products. So I don't even know what to say anymore. This has been this actually has been a successful like showdown, if you will, because these are great. So I definitely give them a thumbs up, both of them. So yeah, that's it guys. So weird that we started off this video with a full face of makeup and now we're ending with this. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it a lot, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from moi. And yeah, thank you again so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.